Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button. So today's video is just going to be on these brows, how I get these type of feeling, and how I wax my own brows at home. So as you might know, I do break out a lot, like really bad, from getting them waxed or anything. So I just decided to do my own at home. And I just found like this quick way to do them, and it's very easy. So what you're gonna do is just take this nair and just get you like a makeup brush or anything you want to like use. I just get like a makeup brush, like an old one that I always use for this particular thing. And I just get this for doing like my brows or whatever. And I just get a little bit of the nair and I just line it out however I want the shape of my brows to go. As you can see, my brows are very thin, so it's like whenever I go to do this, it's easy for me to do it because I already know the shape and everything. You can basically see all the hairs that need to be waxed off and everything. And this is pretty much what I do with the whole thing. And I let it sit for like 1 or 2 minutes. And then after that 1 or 2 minutes is up, I go in with like a makeup remover wipe, and I just pretty much wipe off the nair on like the outer corner. You'll see me do it. I make sure I don't like rub the nair into the hair that I want to stay on my brow. So you just rub around, around the brow part. Like, I can't really explain it, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So after you do that, you're just gonna go in with some of that facial wash that you're using for the moment. I'm using a Neutrogena, and you're just gonna see me go in with that after I finish cleaning up these brows how I want them to be looking and whatever. So you're just gonna go in with your facial wash and you're just gonna wash your face like normal and everything, and then you're gonna come back and we're gonna get to filling in these brows. You're going to come back with a clean face, and you're going to go in with your eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil, and I'm just outlining the top of my brows, and then I'm going to outline the bottom of my brows. After I finish doing both of that, I'm just going to go in with my Holy Grail, the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the color dark brown, and I'm just gonna fill them in. So we outline the top and we outline the bottom, and we're just gonna go in and fill in with this dip brow pomade. Okay, you guys, and that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Then you're gonna see me go in and clean it up, and I'm actually using a new concealer or whatever for the underneath my brow. I use 2 different colors. So I use the top one that's closest to my skin tone at the top, and then I use like a brighter at the bottom. I always use like a brighter, like a little bit brighter than my skin tone, because I be wanting like that brighter bone highlight and everything or whatever going on or whatever, look like a fresh brow or something. I don't know, I just be wanting that. So I use like a lighter concealer underneath to clean up the underneath part of my brow. So you'll see, I'm using a newer one I had found at my beauty supply store, and I just was checking it out. My sister told me about it, so I was just like, okay, here you go, let's check it out. And that's what you just see me doing now, you guys, and y'all can see me do it. So after you clean up your brows and everything, this is what it should be looking like. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this and you want to see more. Make sure you turn your bells on so you will be notified. Comment your thoughts down below. And don't forget to follow me on all my social networks. And I will see you guys in my next video.